A discovery flight is often the first part and first step in flight training, and one of the most exciting. You'll get a chance to come in, meet with a flight instructor, do a pre-flight briefing, go out, actually get hands-on time in the aircraft, front seat look to what it's like in the aircraft or helicopter. And the way we do it here at Aviation Academy is we allow you to actually take the controls up there with the flight instructor, see what that part is actually like, come back and land. And it's not just a sightseeing tour, it is also the first step in flight training because you're with a flight instructor towards your goal of aviation. So why would you actually book a discovery flight? Well, it gives you an opportunity to try out flying in an airplane or helicopter before you commit. It's the best way to really see if aviation's right for you. You also get an opportunity to get comfortable, so you'll get familiarity with the aircraft itself, airplanes and helicopters again, and kind of what the training environment, flying with the flight instructor is actually about. Then you get to meet your flight instructor. So at Aviation Academy, we try to match our flight instructors with the students that they'll potentially have should they decide to become students after the discovery flight phase. And then you're actually able to log flight time as well. Because you're with a flight instructor for the discovery flight, you can log that down as training time should you decide to actually pursue training. At least that's the way we do it here at Aviation Academy of Louisiana. And we train people from all over the country, all over the world. We do train both airplanes and helicopters. Airplane discovery flight, only $100. Helicopters, only $250. So each offers a unique experience, gives you an opportunity to figure out if one's a better fit for you maybe than the other. They are slightly different. A discovery flight, perfect first step into aviation, low commitment, high reward, and a memory that you'll never forget.